So we're going to look at effective interest rates. Think of effective interest rates a bit like unit pricing. Okay, what's unit pricing? Well, that's when we have products that we buy from the shop and we find out how much they are by a standard amount. So, for example, here's Milo, $9.75 for a 750 gram tin. And then we have another tin of Milo, which is $15 for 1.25 kilos. So when we've got those two choices, it's really hard to compare which is the best value for money. All right, this Milo's more expensive altogether, but it also has a lot more in it. This one's cheaper, but has less in it. So unit pricing is where we divide it into groups of 100 grams and we find out how much it is per 100 grams. So in this case, the larger tin of Milo would be a better buy. So that's called unit pricing. Effective interest rate is sort of the same. The idea of effective interest rate is that we are trying to compare interest rates in an even way, and the evenness is by looking at the interest rate as if it was compounded monthly. So we're going to have a look at this worked example 15. An account offers a nominal interest rate of 6.4% per annum compounded monthly. Find the effective rate of interest per year. Okay, so here we go. We've got our formula for effective interest rate. E equals 1 plus I to the power n take 1. So, substituting in, we've got 1. This I is the interest rate per period. So, the 0.064 over how many times does it happen per year? Well, it's monthly, so it'll be 12. To the power of n is how many compounding periods in a single year. So, 12 minus 1. If we pop that into our calculator, for the wobbles, we end up with 0.0659, okay, which is equal to let's round it to the 1 decimal place, 6.6% per annum. So the effective interest rate of this is 6.6% per annum.